Hey everyone, it's Jay Campbell, the technical trainer here at IBIX North America. Today we're going to be talking about the Pro 9 system, going over some of the technical features as well as the accessories for the unit. The IBIX Pro 9 is our second smallest system. It's aluminum, so it will not rust, it will not corrode on you. It is also very lightweight, so one person can put in and out of a vehicle by themselves very easily. The weight of this machine is going to be around 30 to 40 pounds. It does require between 17 to 19 CFM to run this machine from a compressor. When you get this machine for the first time, it will come with the large filling funnel as well as the screen. So if you're using any type of multimedia that is reusable, such as the garnet, the screen does a great job at filtering out that material of any foreign objects that may mix with the material. This is a pressurized system, so once you put your material inside of the tank, whenever you pull the trigger, that top flap door will seal 100%, so nothing will get in or out of that machine. So the first feature on the IBIX Pro 9, when you're looking at it from the back, you'll notice that we have our main pressure regulator that dials the pressure from 3 psi by turning it counterclockwise, all the way up to 90 to 100 psi by turning it clockwise. There is a locking feature, so if you find that perfect setting that you're looking for and you don't want to switch positions, all you have to do is push down on the cap, and that will lock your setting in place. If you want to readjust that, all you have to do is gently pull up on the cap, and once you hear that click, you'll be able to move that freely. Since moisture and humidity is always a factor, either from the compressor or from the outside elements, this machine does come equipped with 2 moisture separators, one located at the bottom of the unit, as well as one located towards the top. We do suggest that when you're using this machine for the first time, as soon as you have air connected to the unit right here at the male fitting, which is going to be a 3/8 inch air line, go ahead and crack the moisture cup open just about a quarter of the way. That way any kind of moisture that's being collected in that cup will release as you're blasting along. We do recommend that if you see any kind of signs of condensation or moisture being developed in here, you can go ahead and open this one up as well. It's not going to be pressurized like the bottom one will. This will only release as you have the trigger pulled on the gun. The IBIX Pro 9 is a wet and dry system as well. When you look at it from the side of the unit here, you'll notice that we have a water connection. So if you have a regular garden hose, you can go ahead and attach that to the side of the unit. Once you have the water hooked up, you can tether it between a light mist. So if it's pointed, the tethering valve, if it's pointed towards the back plate, that'll mean that the water is off 100%. As you turn that to the right, you can develop or produce a medium-sized mist, and all the way to the right will produce a large mist. And really the main focus and point of this is for dust suppression. So if you're working in an area that you want to keep that dust down to a minimum, you can go ahead and add that water feature to it. The water does run on its own independent water line that's meeting at the tip of the gun, which is a nice benefit and feature because that means the material inside of the tank will stay dry at all times. So you don't have to worry about any clumping or clogging in the abrasive valve. So on the bottom of the system, you'll notice that we have this stainless steel block here, and this is what we call our abrasive valve. This is going to be metering the amount of product that we're using or that is coming out of the gun itself. So when you turn this all the way clockwise, that will shut off the material completely. As you turn this counterclockwise, this will open up that passageway, which will allow more material to flow through the gun and the hose. On all of our Pro systems, we do have a male and female quick connect, which makes it very easy to interchange the guns on the fly. Just by pushing back on that lip, you can disconnect the hose and add either the extended lance gun or the helix gun onto the machine within just a matter of seconds. The IBIX Pro 9 does come with a 20-foot hose as well as the standard H2O gun. We also have a lot of accessories such as interchangeable nozzles that are available in our nozzle kit. It's going to add or provide 4 additional nozzles, 2 for more precision and 2 wider ones for more production. To get to those nozzles, all you have to do is push in on the black quick connect ring and pull out on the clear line. Once you've done that, go ahead and turn the water shroud counterclockwise, remove it completely, and that will expose the tungsten carbide nozzle. This machine does again come with a 3mm nozzle, and inside that nozzle kit you'll get 2 4mm nozzles as well as a 2.5 and a 2mm Venturi and cylindrical nozzle. On the side of the gun here, you'll notice we have our black button, which is what we call our dead man switch or our safety button. To begin to use the machine and operate the gun, you'll first want to push in on that black button. Once the machine is powered with air, you'll push in on that black button. Once that's pushed in, you can go ahead and pull the trigger, and that will activate the gun. At that point, once the trigger is pulled, you can let off the black button, and then once you stop, you'll just have to repeat that process. All of our guns come with a nut zip tied to the handle. In case anything happens to the water shroud, you can secure the nozzle in place with the nut there. So if you'd like to see additional information and the general features of this machine, please check out the introduction video with Nathan. All of our systems are available nationwide. For more information, please check out our technical website at ibixusa.com. IBIX, always keeping you on track.